Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting question from radical equations. The given equation is cube root 18x minus 20 plus cube root 19x minus 17 equal to cube root of x minus 1. X belongs to real number except 1. So 1 is accepted, so I can divide both sides by our RHS cube root x minus 1. This side also will divide by cube root x minus 1. So RHS will be 1. Now I can write our LHS cube root 18x minus 20 divided by cube root x minus 1 plus cube root 19x minus 17 divided by cube root x minus 1. RHS is 1. Now I will club both the radicals from numerator denominator. So cube root 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1 plus cube root 19x minus 17 divided by x minus 1. RHS is 1. Now I will use substitution. Let us call this radical equal to a and this radical equal to b. So I can write our first equation a plus b equal to 1. Let us call this is equation 1. Now it was a equal to cube root of 18x minus 20 over x minus 1 and b was cube root of 19x minus 70 over x minus 1. Now consider cubing both sides. So I can write a cube will be equal to 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1 and b cube we can write 19x minus 70 divided by x minus 1. Let us add both a cube plus b cube. So I will be writing here 18x minus 20 over x minus 1 plus 19x minus 17 over x minus 1. Denominator is same. So I will write common denominator x minus 1. So numerator simply will be added plus 19x minus 17. So it will give us 18x plus 19x, 37x minus 20 minus 17 minus 37 over x minus 1. So this will become 37 is common, x minus 1 over x minus 1. So this value is coming out 37. So our second equation would be a cube plus b cube equal to 37. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. Let me write here a cube plus b cube equal to 37 and our first equation was a plus b equal to 1. Now I will apply a cube plus b cube formula here. So I can write a plus b. In other bracket we can write a square plus b square minus ab. This is one approach. Right hand side is 37. Let us write a plus b equal to 1 and here I will be writing a square plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus ab. So let me write minus 3ab equal to 37, or I can write a plus b whole square is 1 square minus 3ab equal to 37. So 3ab will be equal to negative 36. So AB will be equal to negative 12. Or we can consider cubing of this equation also. Let me write here. Or I can write a plus b equal to 1 and cube both sides. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b equal to 1 cube is 1. A cube plus b cube, it is 37. So 37 here plus 3ab. Same equation we will be having. A plus b is 1 equal to 1. So I can write 3ab is equal to negative 36. So AB is equal to negative 12. Now we have this equation and we have this equation. Let's find out A or B. So I will be writing A plus B equal to 1 with AB negative 12. Now I can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are A and B. Then this equation is sum of roots and this equation will give us product of roots. So I can frame that quadratic equation in A itself. It would be A square minus sum of roots times A plus product of roots. So minus 1 times A, so A plus product of roots, it is negative 12 equal to 0. Now I will use factorization method. I can write here A square minus 4A plus 3A minus 12 equal to 0. A is common, so A minus 4 will be in the bracket. 3 is common, A minus 4 will be in the bracket equal to 0. A minus 4 times A plus 3 equal to 0 will be our factors. Now I can write from here A minus 4 equal to 0, then A is equal to 4, A plus 3 equal to 0, A equal to minus 3. Now I will write A equal to 4 and A equal to negative 3. Now this was our A. If I will write, let me write here cube root of 18x minus 20 over x minus 1. This was our A. So I can write here A cube will be equal to 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1. So let us find out A cube first. It will be 4 cube 64 minus 3 cube minus 27. Now here I will write the value of A cube. So 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1 equal to 64 minus 27. So let me write here 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1 equal to 64, and 18x minus 20 divided by x minus 1 equal to minus 27. Let's solve. So 18x minus 20 equal to 64x minus 64. So I will rearrange. So 64 minus 20, this will be equal to 64x minus 18x. So right hand side would be 46x. Left hand side would be 64 minus 20, 44. Now x will be equal to 44 over 46 or 22 over 23. Now here I will be writing 18x minus 20 equal to minus 27x plus 27. So I can write here, right hand side would be 20 plus 27, 47, and left hand side would be 45x. So x will come out 47 over 45. So we have two real solutions, 22 over 23, 47 over 45. Let us cross-examine. So I will write here check, and I will begin with x equal to 22 over 23. So LHS. I will be writing cube root of 18x. So 18 times 22 divided by 23 minus 20 plus cube root of 19x. 19 times 22 divided by 23 minus 17. So if I will simplify here, I will be writing 18 times 22. This value will be 396 minus 23 times 20, 460 divided by 23. Here I will be writing 19 times 22. So this value will be 418 minus 23 times 17, 391 divided by 23. So this value is minus 64. So I will be writing minus 64 as minus 4 cube divided by 23 plus cube root of, this is 27 over 23. Now I can write here minus 4, and denominator will be cube root 23. This value will be 3 over cube root 23. So LHS is coming out negative 1 over cube root 23. And if you will see RHS, then it would be cube root of 22 over 23 minus 1, which will be equal to cube root of 22 minus 23 over 23. So minus 1 over 23, which will be equal to minus 1 over cube root 23. So both values are same. That means this is our verified solution. Now I will consider second solution, x is equal to 47 over 45. So I will begin with our LHS. So LHS, I will write cube root 18 times 47 divided by 45 minus 20 plus cube root 19 times 47 divided by 45 minus 17. And RHS, if I will apply here itself, then it would be 47 over 45 minus 1. So 18 times 47, 846 minus 900 divided by 45 cube root plus cube root of 19 times 47, 893 minus 17 times 45, 765 over 45. Right hand side, if I will write here, then it would be 47 minus 45, so 2 over 45. Now here I will be writing cube root of 846 minus 900 minus 54 over 45. plus cube root of 893 minus 765, it would be 128 divided by 45. Right hand side we will cross examine. Now 54 I can write 27 times 2. So it would be, let me write here, negative will be outside, 27 times 2 divided by 45 plus cube root of 128 can be written as 64 times 2 over 45. Now I can write here 27. Cube root of 27 would be 3. So I will write 3 outside with negative sign, and then I will write cube root 2 over 45. Similarly, cube root 64 is 4. So 4 will be outside, and then cube root 2 over 45. Now 4 cube root 2 over 45 minus 3 cube root 2 over 45, it will become cube root 2 over 45. You can see this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So both are equal to each other, hence this is also verified. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Goodbye.